Are you looking for affordable auto insurance? Maybe you want home coverage or bundle deals? GEICO, backed by Berkshire Hathaway, offers all that. But how do their auto and home offerings stack up, especially when bundled? Let's break it down. So, GEICO consistently ranks high on customer satisfaction. J.D. Power named it a leader in overall auto insurance satisfaction. They're known for competitive premiums. For example, a clean driving record may land you around $70 a month, well below the national average of $119. They offer a wide range of discounts: multi-policy, multi-vehicle, good student, safety features, military, federal employees, and many more. Potentially up to 40% in savings. So, they've recently improved their pricing, technology, and telematics. They still trail competitors like Progressive on growth and market share. GEICO doesn't underwrite its own home policies. Instead, they broker them through partner insurers like Travelers or Assurant. Homeowners' premiums average about $79 a month, $948 a year, lower than State Farm, which is $1,104, and Progressive, which is $1,020. Discounts are available for bundled policies, home security systems, smoke detectors, and even military status, with variations depending on the underwriting partner. And it's backed by strong financial stability of Berkshire Hathaway and top-notch ratings from AM Best. However, coverage options and service quality vary widely depending on the third-party insurer you're assigned. And customer satisfaction and claims experience can differ significantly between partners. Complaint rates may be higher than average. However, bundling auto and home policies usually unlocks multi-policy discounts and simplifies management via GEICO's mobile app or website. Bundling may yield 5 to 15% savings on home insurance. In a real-world example, one user reported their homeowner's bill dropped from $1,400 to $1,325 with higher coverage and deductibles, plus $125 a year auto premium reduction. Solid win. Now, since home coverage is brokered, you might end up with a less favorable rate or service than with direct carriers. And some users express distrust in dealing with large call center operations for nuanced home insurance needs. So, as far as auto, GEICO is strong here. Competitive pricing, solid customer satisfaction, and a broad suite of discounts. As far as home, it's affordable, but with varied customer experience, dependent entirely on the third-party insurer that GEICO assigns to you. As far as bundling, it's great potential for savings and convenience, but weight pros and cons, especially around service consistency.